Your container is crashing in production. You can't see inside. Let's fix that right now. The primary command is docker logs followed by the container name or ID. Running docker logs, myAP piperints all output that container has produced since it started. You can use the full container name or just the first few characters of its ID. Docker will match it. By default, you get the complete history from the very beginning. To stream logs in real time, add the -f flag, short for follow. Docker logs -f myAPI works like tail-f on a log file. New lines appear as they're written. Press Ctrl+C when you're done watching. For busy containers, you usually don't need every line. --tail 100 shows only the last 100 lines. --since accepts a timestamp or a relative value like 30 minutes or 2 hours to isolate a recent window. You can combine them. Docker logs -f tail 50 follows live output, starting from the last 50 lines. Why does this work? Docker captures everything the container's main process writes to stdout and stderr. No log file configuration needed by default. With Docker Compose logs works the same way across multiple services at once. In production, you can swap the logging driver, for example syslog or Fluent, to forward logs to external systems. Use Docker logs to inspect output, -f to follow live, and -tail or -since to filter by recency. Docker handles the rest automatically. Follow for more Docker essentials. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.